Okay, so as I'm sure you'll know, retrofitting housing has a massive, significant opportunity for carbon reduction. And this is just a small application really to explore the effect of doing different retrofit measures to houses. It allows you to see how much you'd save from different levels of insulation and different levels of draft movement of air through your building. So I'm going to start with an example of a house with no insulation and very drafty. So that's like a very old house. And I save that as a baseline. And if we add 100 mil of insulation to that, over 20 years it should save about 17 grand. And the expenditure for putting in wall insulation from the Energy Saving Trust is about £7,000. So you can see that pays back quite well. If you've already got 100 mil of insulation in, and you want to expand it with another 100 mil, it's only going to save you another £1,000 roughly. So you can see how effective it's going to be. We can do the same with loft insulation. So 200 mil of loft insulation costs about between £100 and £350 to put in, and over 20 years could save you 6,000. So this is a modern house might have 200 mil of loft insulation, 100 mil in the walls. The volume of air that will be lost through the wall, lost through gaps in the building will be significantly less, and it might cost you £559 on your heating every year. And it's considerably less than a really old house which is very drafty and has no insulation. So it's just a small application really to explore the effect of these different measures and sort of highlight the effect they're saving and how much energy can be reduced by instigating these measures. So that's it.
Can you see how much heating cost you'd save with a 2-degree global temperature rise?
That's a good one, yeah. I need to add another box that's for the outside temperature. Yeah. So one thing I'd like to do is integrate this tool into another tool that we've been developing as part of Open Energy Monitor, which is a more in-depth energy auditing tool looking at every aspect of energy use in different households. And at the moment you can explore things like what if we switch from diesel cars to electric cars, and you can see the saving, and what if we switch from oil and gas heating over to heat pumps, you can see the effect. You can see the increase in sustainability. So the next measures, I'd like to add those insulation measures to this calculation.
Is that up on your website?
Yeah, this is. So if you go to viz.openenergymonitor.org/retrofit for that, and CEPM, Community Energy Plan Maker, for the plan maker. Yep.
Would you look at factoring in, say, grants available based on geographical location and payback periods?
Yeah, that'd be great to be able to do. Yeah, yes, yeah.
Where's the source code?
Yeah. All the source code is on GitHub. It's all open source. So yeah, I'd love to if you have any ideas of how it can be improved. That'd be really great.
You said 43p per kilowatt hour. Is that gas cost?
Yeah, that's roughly gas cost.
So then might add switching the heating to electric is a feature. How much would it cost to switch to electric heating?
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
And then you're running at 40p per kilowatt hour. Is the
Yes. Sure.
feature.
What percentage of micro renewables?
Yeah. Yeah.
More about
What are the data sources for the first thing you put up, please?
The data sources comes from a book called what's it called? It's Whole Home.
That's fair enough. But
Yeah.
just wondering if you're getting interested in
And the Energy Saving Trust.
Okay.